Hi parents, I just want to give you a follow-up along with my email, some examples so you know what I'm talking about when you see my email. First off is I just remind you that every night your children will be bringing this planner home and the parents are supposed to sign it every single night down here in this column. So make sure your students that you're seeing what they're writing, what we're doing during the day, and you actually sign it every single night. And then they return it every day also. So that is our planners. Then something else that's going to be in your guys' daily take-home folder every night. Every student has a take-home folder. They take it back and forth every night. Is a read-o board. Okay, students are supposed to read 20 minutes every night. You're going to just put how many minutes they have. If they don't read 20 minutes, you don't fill it out. Put how many minutes, might be 20, 30, anything above 20, and you initial it. If they complete the entire board this quarter, then they get to have a drop everything and read party, a dear party. This will be in their take-home folder, and it's actually going to be on the return to Mrs. Hall side because they need to bring it back every day so I can check and make sure they're keeping up with the reading. I know some people like to keep those in your refrigerators, but I also need to make sure that they're reading. So make sure it's in their take-home, their daily folder every day. This comes to school and goes home to you every single night. I'm also including in their backpacks, there are 4 district masks that is given to each child. There's 2 white ones, a black one, and a gray one. I'm asking the kids to keep these in their backpacks in case something happens to their mask at home or at some time at school. That way they have an extra pair of mask at school. So keep those in their backpacks, and you might want to try them on them and try to adjust them because they are big and sometimes they're falling off the kids. So adjust the back of them so that they're ready in case they need to use them at school. But these will be in their backpacks for you to keep and bring back and forth to school. Another thing I wanted to let you know about is next Friday, we're going to be decorating our notebooks, our composition notebooks. And you're going to get this letter home. It tells you about the writer's notebook. We're going to make a collage. And the kids already have their composition notebooks. But they need to bring like pictures or stickers, or you can print off different things from home on your colored printer. They can draw something. But we're going to decorate our notebooks. And then I put a film over them to seal it in. And this makes us a personalized writer's notebook. And you'll find that they really get excited about this notebook is unique and it's about them. More information is in this flyer. This is about how much area you need to fill in. Do not do this at home. You're going to send in the supplies by next Friday, because next Friday we're going to actually, as a class, everyone's going to have all their stuff and they're going to decorate their notebook at school. You just need to send their supplies home. A lot of times if you go to the Dollar Tree, they have some like dollar stickers. Sometimes the kids like to bring in duct tape to make it more colorful. You can print stuff off at on your computer, stickers. Some people like put Pokemon cards on there, baseball cards, but just know they're not going to get those back. It's going to stay on their notebooks. A lot of times there's family pictures they like to put on there, but do not do this at home. You just send in the stuff like in a baggie, and we just need it by next Friday. This will be in this folder. You will find the kids will not be bringing their papers home until Friday. They have a Friday folder, and every Friday you'll get this folder. If it's something that needs to be returned to school, it's going to go here. This side over here is just keep at home. It's their work during the week that I collect, so you're not getting work and papers every single night. Also in here, I've included a lunch menu, so that maybe you can talk with your students about what they want, because first thing they have to do, they have to order their lunch first thing in the morning. So if you can help discuss with them what they wanted, the two choices, or if they're brats. Also, a reminder, breakfast is free. Please encourage your students to eat breakfast or grab a breakfast here at school too, because by 10:30, 11 o'clock, they are starving. So please have them eat breakfast, or even I encourage you to grab up. They go right past the cafeteria. Have them grab up some breakfast at the cafeteria too. It's free. It's awesome. Okay, what else do we need? Your students will be bringing home this folder every night. Okay. Oh, sorry. No, this folder they will keep at school. They have a keep at school folder. If you see this come home, tell them take that back to school and don't bring it back. They have a keep a daily folder that they will bring home every day. In that will be if they have homework. This daily folder here. This is daily folder. If they have any homework, it will be in here. If there's something I need back immediately, it'll be in here. Anyway, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Reminder, they need to read 20 minutes every night, sign the Reado boards, and let me know if you have any questions. Hi again. I also wanted to show you the Me bags. Some of you have been great sending those back in. Kids pick 3 or 4 or 5 things to put in their bags. These are due by next Friday. It's any day next week. They can bring it in and we just share whoever brings them in for that day. That's due by next Friday. Also, I have provided snacks all week. Starting Monday, the kids will need to bring their own snacks for the afternoon. And, and then, of course, the end of the day, prizes you leave, candy will also stop on today. So, I just like to spoil them, especially this first week. If you have any questions about the snacks, just make sure that it's in a package and they can eat with their hands. A lot of times we're going outside for a snack time, so don't bring anything that needs a spoon or to peel or anything like that. Please, if you have any questions, email me, and I think we had a great first week, and have a great weekend.